What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And this review is going to be a real quick review. Like I said in my other review with the other stapler, my uncle gave me and my wife this stapler after we bought the other one. So he gave us one. We'll say we said we'll take it. So here we are. We have the Hyper Tough staple gun. Now, I don't have nothing on this. I don't have no paperwork, no nothing. So I'm going as I'm talking. I will plug in the price of it as I look online. But this is basic. It does the staplers and you can do brad nails. 3/8 inch brad nails. 18 gauge. Alright, so with this, it is a rechargeable. Right there, that's where you charge it up at. And I don't have a long enough cord right now to see if this works while plugged up on the wall, because the chargers that I have for USB type C are short wires. But it's a battery powered staple gun, so we're gonna see how much power we got. Okay, that's how you take it off. So you gotta, hold on a second. All right. Okay, so for you to take this on and off, you gotta squeeze the side. You see that spring right there? You gotta squeeze the sides, both sides, or just that one side, because this one side is the only side that got a clip right here. So you squeeze that in and it comes out. And we already got staples in it. So let's go ahead and do the demonstration. To put it back in, you gotta squeeze and push back in and let go. Okay, you guys, so we have the rechargeable stapler gun and we're gonna see how it works. Oh, is it on? Wow. That one might have more power than the other one. Whoa, that is power. You guys, this thing is dangerous. This actually has more power than the Heart one. Let's check the brad nails. On this one, there is a symbol for nails. I don't know if you can see it, but it is on this side, that little symbol right there. My brad nails is 5/8. This says it needs 3/8. I am not going to go to the store this time for my ODD, because I am not going to go and just look for a 3/8 brad nails. And as a matter of fact, they don't even have it in the store. The 5/8 was the smallest one I could get. So unfortunately, I can't do the brad nail test today. I'll do it another day, but I will drop this review. I like the power of this thing. The power of this is amazing. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please drop it in the comment section. Like the video and hit that notification bell for more reviews so you can be updated for the next reviews that's coming. I review tools, I review solar fountains, I review a lot of home products. Catch y'all in the next video.